Hello, welcome back to Pedal Savings. My name is Rosie and I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope method to budget out her finances. Today we will be on condensing some of my bills in my binders. We're going to be condensing 20, 40, 60, 80, no, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, $90. So let's put that here. Let's go to my high priority sinking funds. So wedding, I keep forgetting to get hundreds. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it should have 292. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 292. Awesome. Okay, apartment. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60. Could be 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, let's change that into 20 instead. So apartment should have 184. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 184. Okay, let's see, Derek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Emergency, 20, 10, 15, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should be 50, yep. Okay, beauty. Could have a 10. Toiletries. It's okay. That's okay. Meds is okay. Okay, next binder. I think we don't gotta condense this binder. Christmas. Okay, okay. Furniture. That one's okay. Yep, this one's all good. Okay, I think it's just this one. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, no, this one's condensed already. Okay, I think that's all we needed condensing. Yep. Okay. So let's see how much we have. So 10, 20. We should have 90 in total. So 25, 10, 15, 20, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 30. Yep, $90. Okay, that's it for the condensing video. I will see you guys next time when we cash stuff my envelopes. Okay, bye.